children, how are you today? And welcome to this hour's class. My name is still Mrs. Ezobi. So, before we go on to what we have today, tell me, children, what did you eat today before coming to school? Okay, you ate rice. Yes. Indomie. Good. Yes. Bread and tea with egg. Wonderful. Myself, I ate yam before coming to school this morning. Okay, that takes us to our topic that says food and types. This food and types are subject it is thematic activity. So under this thematic activity, we study food and types. So I expect you at the end of this lesson, you should be able to define food, mention some food, and identify them whenever you see them. So that is what you are expected to do. So let's go. Food are those things we eat that keep us alive. Those things we eat that keep us alive. That is food. Then we have types of food. We have yam, beans, rice, indomie, garri, egg, and so on and so forth. There are so many other. You eat food every day. So let's go on to see them. See this one. You can see it very well. What's this one? Rice. You can see it. Okay. What's this one? Beans. Can you see beans? You eat beans. What's this one? Garri. I know that most of you enjoy garri. When your mother cooks soup and make garri, you like and enjoy it. What's this one? Yam. Yam is my favorite. Yam. So you should be able to identify them whenever you see them. So that is the end of our lesson. But before we call it off, let me see whether you understood what I said that is the meaning of food. Food are those things we eat, good, that keep us alive, good children. Mention 3 types of food. Yam, good. Rice, indomie, good children. So you should be able to identify them whenever your mommy is cooking. When you see her cooking, you tell her what she's cooking. You mention the food she's about to cook. So that is where we end this hour's lesson or this class. See you in our next class. Bye. Z-I-P-Z, Z-I-P-Z, Z-I-P-Z. Hello, wonderful children, and welcome to today's class. My name is Mrs. Ezobi. So let's go to what we have in our today's class. In today's class, we have practical life. And in that practical life, we are going to see zipping exercise. Zipping exercise. So, at the end of this lesson, I expect you to understand what we mean by zipping, the meaning of zipping. Then you should be able to identify zip. The last thing, you should be able to mention, identify some of the things that have zip when you see them. Let's go to zipping. What is the meaning of zipping? Zipping is to compress a thing. To compress a thing. So that thing will take a less space. To compress a thing so that it will take a less space. Let's see. This is a zip. I told you should be able to know what is zip, identify. This is a zip. So when you compress it, this is how the zip is. Then zipping, you now make it zip, compress it so that it will not take a big space or more space. You see it, when it's open like this, it takes more space, but when you zip it, it will not take a more space. That is, you compress it, that is zipping. So let's go to things, those things that have zip. Let's start with your school bags. Your school bags have zip. This is a school bag, it has a zip. You can see it, zip. So school bags have zip. You can see lunch bag. This lunch bag has a zip. Can you see it? Yes, it has a zip. You can see mommy's purse. Mommy's purse has a zip. You can see clothes, your shorts, your dress. You see this one, it has a zip. That's a zip. So when I ask you to mention things that have zip, you should be able to tell me bags, purse, clothes, shoes, so on and so forth. Right, so that is where our lesson ends today. So answer this question before we call it a day. Zipping is to compress a thing so that it will take a less space. True or false? True. Wonderful. They mention two things that have zip: bags, dress. Good children. Yes, applaudissez. Okay, don't forget to go to class dojo, do your homework. And I want to see it while you are doing it, so your mommy will video as you are doing. Have a nice day.